How to fix this Telegram channel cannot be displayed. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your Telegram channel or group is not being displayed because it was used to spread some kind of content. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Telegram, and once you do that, from here you want to tap on the three lines at the top left to open up your settings. Once your Telegram settings is open, you just want to go ahead and tap on privacy and security. Once you do that, you just scroll down until you see invites and tap on it. So from here, you just want to select everybody for your group invites. And once you do that, you just have to open up your web browser and log into Telegram Web. So once you get here, just log into your account using Telegram Web and tap on the three dots at the top left corner. And from here, you just want to tap on settings. Once your settings is open, you just have to go ahead and tap on privacy and security. And now scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this option right here that says show sensitive content. Make sure that this is toggled on, because once this is on, all kind of sensitive content can be shown on your Telegram. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.